Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new type of data visualization technique in charts in Microsoft Excel. So let's open Microsoft Excel. This is the latest version. Open a blank workbook. Now we will zoom it. So let's go to the insert tab. In previous video we have seen how to construct a tree map. So today we are going to see how to construct a sunburst. So click on this sunburst. So you will find this chart here and just resize it to the screen. So this is the cell through which the chart will take the data. So let's write some value 10. So now see what it has done is, this is criteria number 1 which is giving us 10. Right, second suppose 15, third is 30, but it has not reflected because if you click on the chart it says that only 10 is selected. So extend the selection like this. Now see, the chart will be divided into 3 parts. See guys, so out of this total 360-degree, this 10 value is given to this 1, this 15 is given to this 2, and this 30 is given to this 3. If suppose this total is 25, so I write here 25. So what happens, just see, it is correctly equal. This is 10, this is 15, so it's 25, and this complete is 25. So like this we will give some more entries like 40. So see, the chart has been changed and simultaneously the color also gets changed. Give this 50 suppose. So as compared to this 50, now this one value which is having 10 is smaller. I can give this suppose 5, only 5. So see, this is 5, this is 30, 7 is 30, and 8 is again 40. So yes, still one is remaining. Suppose I give this as 90. So based on that, highest value is 90, so this is 90, and based on that these particular values are being extracted. So this circle is the shape of the sun, so it is known as a sunburst. This chart type is known as sunburst, or this data visualization technique is known as an sunburst technique to determine the data. And if I want, I can select this one and I can change the exact color also. For that you can here change the color of this particular filling like red, etc., and you can show various. For single also you can change the color, like suppose for 9 I require red, so it is red. So in this way we can use the sunburst type of data visualization chart in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.